Let's move to the next problem. If 2 upon 3 and negative 3 are the roots of the equation ax square plus 7x plus b is equal to 0, then we have to find the values of a and b in the given equation. Let us discuss how to frame a quadratic equation when the roots are given. We already know that a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 has two roots and they are given by x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Here b square minus 4ac is called the discriminant. If we take alpha is equal to negative b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a and beta is equal to minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a, sum of the roots is equal to alpha plus beta, that is minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and we have the value of beta as negative b square minus 4ac under root upon 2a. Both contains the same denominator, that is 2a, so their LCM is 2a. When we add these two, under root discriminant are cancelled out, we left with negative b plus negative b, that is negative 2b. By cancelling 2 on numerator and denominator, we get the sum of the roots as negative b upon a. This is a very important result. Now let us find the product of the roots, that implies alpha times beta, which is negative b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a times beta, which is negative b negative under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. In fractions, we learned that the product of two fractions is the product of the numerators divided by product of their denominators. Therefore, on denominator we have 2a times 2a is 4a square. If we look at the numerator, here negative b plus under root discriminant, here we have negative b minus under root discriminant. It is in the form of a plus b times a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square, which is equal to negative b whole square minus under root b square minus 4ac whole square. On simplifying, negative b square is b square, negative square root and square get cancelled, therefore we remain with discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. By distributing negative inside the bracket, we have b square minus b square. The product of two negatives will be a positive, and we have 4ac. B square and negative b square cancelled out on numerator, and we remain with 4ac upon 4a. 4 and a in numerator and denominator are cancelled, therefore the product of the roots is c upon a. Therefore the product of the roots is alpha times beta is equal to c upon a. Therefore, if alpha and beta are two roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c, then sum of the roots is negative b upon a and product of the roots is c upon a. Why we calculated sum of the roots and product of the roots? It is because to frame a quadratic equation when the roots are given. Suppose we have alpha and beta as roots, then the quadratic equation is x minus alpha times x minus beta, which is equal to 0. Let us distribute x to x minus beta and negative alpha to x minus beta. X times x is x square and negative beta x and negative alpha x. Here the product of two negatives will be a positive, therefore plus alpha times beta is alpha times beta, which is equal to 0. On taking negative sign and x, as common, we have alpha plus beta times x plus product of the roots. Therefore, by calculating their sum and product and substituting in this equation, we can obtain a quadratic equation. Let us do that. In this question, we are given two roots, that is alpha is equal to 2 upon 3 and beta is equal to -3. Let us find their sum. We have alpha plus beta is equal to 2 upon 3 plus of -3, which is 2 upon 3 minus 3. Here LCM is 3 and we have numerator has 2. Coming to this, we multiply numerator 3 with 3 in order to get the denominator has 3, which is 9. 2 minus 9 is -7 upon 3. Similarly, product of the roots is equal to 2 upon 3 times -3, which is equal to -2 upon 3 times 3. 3 numerator and denominator get cancelled out. We have the product of the root has -2. We already frame a equation whose roots are alpha beta is x square minus sum of the roots, which is alpha plus beta times x plus product of the roots. By substituting these values, we get the equation x square negative sum of the roots is -7 upon 3 times x plus product of the roots is -2, which is equal to 0. On simplifying, we get x square. The product of two negatives is positive, therefore 7 upon 3 times x and plus of -2 is -2, which is equal to 0. By multiplying both sides with 3, we get the equation has 3x square plus 7x minus 2, which is equal to 0. Let us compare this equation with the given equation. Our given equation is ax square plus 7x plus b is equal to 0. We obtain equation as 3x square plus 7x minus b is equal to 0. On comparing the coefficient of x square, we get the value of a is equal to 3, and on comparing constants, we get the value of b is equal to negative, which is equal to -2.